Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys would please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you can leave a comment down below, even better. Super helps the channel out. Anyways, today is Sunday morning. It's 10 a.m. I got a little bit of a late start, but I am heading to the Bellingham Cars and Coffee. Now, this is there already is a Cars and Coffee group that was already started about a year ago. But there was another one that kind of popped up in the last couple of days. I believe the page on Facebook is called Whatcom County Cars and Coffee. So search that, keep an eye out for events. I think they both kind of linked up too. So hopefully together there can be more than one, or, you know, improve the car scene around Whatcom County. But I do live in Big Lake, Mount Vernon. So I am in CIVIC County currently. So it's about a 40-minute drive for me to get from my place to where we're meeting in Bellingham. So I believe we're meeting on the Guide Meridian in front of Hobby Lobby next to the Starbucks there in Bellingham. So they're meeting at 10, so we're gonna be about 35-40 minutes late. Hopefully that's good timing, you know, fashionably late type of thing. But yeah, so I brought my GoPro with me, but I totally left the memory card in my laptop, so I'm recording on my iPhone 11. I know the speaker and microphones are kind of clogged with dust and dirt from working all the time in the body shop, so I apologize as far as the sound quality. Plus, we're in my 93 Honda Del Sol. It's got 2.5-inch exhaust, and it's not insulated necessarily the best, being a 1993 Honda. So anyways, apologize for the video quality if it's not good. Next time I'll make sure to grab my memory card for my GoPro. But anyways, we're just about to hop on the freeway and dart down to Bellingham. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video, and we'll see you here soon.
I remember getting too drunk with my best friends. I remember getting fucked up with my girlfriends. I remember drinking all nights on the weekends. I remember wishing this night wouldn't ever end. I remember teaching her to mini putt from beyond, that's what's up. First date, getting drunk. Second date, I fell in love. I can never get enough. Life can get a little tough when it gets a little rough. You look back at the good stuff. Sipping on some whiskey with a girl who's feeling frisky, and my world is spinning tipsy, man, this alcohol just hit me, baby. Are you coming with me? Take a shot and let's get busy. Got the whole damn night, let's do something hella risky. I just wanna make a memory, she don't wanna ever leave. Wanna leave a legacy, we're sipping on the balcony. I'm mixing like it's alchemy, I'm fixed on her anatomy. We're living life lavishly, we live it like a fantasy. Sometimes I drink too much, sometimes I get too drunk, but every time I wake up, I think to myself, I love being hungover. Sometimes I drink too much, sometimes I get too drunk, but every time I wake up, I think to myself, I love being hungover. Every day, having good times, don't care what they say, I'ma stay on my own line. I can almost taste every place we were drunk down. You cannot replace all these days, those were good times. Oh God, you drive them crazy every time they see you, baby. Looking fine and like a lady, like a dime you got them chasing. By design their hearts are racing, so I told myself the statement: if you want it, then go take it. Make a move and don't be patient. Never had a doubt that I wanted to be famous. Never had a doubt that I wanted to be ageless. Never had a doubt that I wanna make changes. Never had a doubt that I wanna go places. Life is all about taking risks, taking chances. Life is all about who you with and romancing. Life is all about everything that you make it. That's what it's about. Drink it up and get wasted, yeah. Sometimes I drink too much, sometimes I get too drunk, but every time I wake up I think to myself I love being hungover. Sometimes I drink too much, sometimes I get too drunk, but every time I wake up I think to myself I love being hungover.
What's up, everybody? Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I was there for about an hour and a half. It's about mid-40s right now in Bellingham, so I stayed until I couldn't feel my toes anymore. But there wasn't a crazy amount of cars, but it was a good quality amount of cars. There's a little something there for everybody. We had like C7 Corvettes, we had a C6 Corvette, we had a bunch of wide body Challengers, we had like a red-eye Hellcat, we had a 70s Nova, all done up with a roll cage, tub rear end and stuff like that. We had a Lotus Elise, a couple Honda Del Sols, saw a Subaru WRX STI. We saw a bunch of pretty nice high-end Audi cars. Nothing too crazy, but we had a couple like Scion FRS cars. Actually, one of them was owned by my buddy Edward, and he actually gave me a poster. It's called the Black Dragon, so that was pretty cool. So yeah, there was a little bit of everything for everybody. So there was even like a little Volkswagen hippie bus there, Bellingham, all like tricked out on the paint job and on the inside and stuff. So it was a great little, good little vibe, you know. It was started at 10, so it's not a bad time, you know. 9 o'clock would be a pretty good time, but I don't know, maybe people like sleeping in, I'm not sure, but 10 o'clock, not too bad, you know, but I took off about noon, so about halfway through the day. But yeah, it's a pretty good time. So if you guys are interested, Facebook search Whatcom County Cars and Coffee, and there's a group, as well as you'll find some events from time to time too. But I think it's a group that you want to join to hear more. I know there is a couple other Cars and Coffee groups as well. The car scene around here is pretty divided. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Kind of a bad thing, I guess. Lots of different types of car people. I mean, there's classic car people, you know, with the elite car club and stuff, and Whatcom County, as well as like the import guys, the Audi guys, the BMW guys with the trucks. But you know, Cars and Coffee, it should be like a little bit of everything. So it was a good turnout. So I'm back in Big Lake right now, almost home. So it's Sunday. Me and the lady are gonna go out and find some lunch here and watch the game this afternoon. So anyways, like this video, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.
Just take me now, she said, I wanna feel no pain. Just pin me down.